Oh my god, guys, I'm sorry. I didn't have my mic on. Alright, so I was gonna say, so y'all hit the 5 subscriber goal, but then I had 4 subscribers, and I was like, what? Why did I lose one? And remember, as I said, you will, okay, so I found a new idea. Instead of me helping out y'all with bosses for Bee Swarm, I could maybe plant 5 sprouts, maybe, and then for Anime Fighting Simulator, it would be champions, of course. For Tower Heroes, I'm maybe thinking just doing I guess helping y'all with bosses. I guess that's the only thing I can really help y'all with, or that's the only way I could help you guys in Tower Heroes. And for block fruits or fruit giveaways, and I don't know, is there any other games we'll play? And I don't think so. Oh, Shindo. Actually, Shindo, yes. Because think about it, wouldn't we be able to help y'all find scrolls? Yeah, guys. So, I somehow got Spirit Starter. I don't know how. I literally talked to Black Bear, and I got her quest. I'm really confused. I really just... How did that happen? What? Bro? Huh? I was like, yo, what? I should have got it on... I should have recorded it, but... Man, I'm just I was like, how did that even happen? I swear, it's probably a bug, but still, bro, that's just weird. Let's go to Cloverfield real quick. Come on, dude, we're so slow. Don't kill it, please be oh my god. Guys, we might get there in time. Please don't kill him. Don't kill him. Oh my god, dude. Yes. Yes, sir. Ooh. We got... Okay, so we only... Wait, what? We didn't get... Oh, never mind. I was like, we didn't get any stingers? But yeah, we got 6 stingers. Well, 5 from the daily bonus. But, that's good. But we only have... Do we only have 6 stingers? 9 stingers. I really do want a lot of stingers so I can try and get the thing. I was thinking we'll just make honey. Let's see, what field do we have to go to? Spider field. So, let's just go. Guys, we only need 1 more subscriber. Come on. We're about to hit that goal, and y'all are gonna get something from it. Alright? But remember, y'all are gonna have to put y'all's Roblox username in the comments. I'm gonna put it on the spinning wheel. I can do it on recording to see if y'all do get it, but remember, if y'all don't, I'm gonna make a video, and if there's not comments, and if there's not 1 comment in at least 1 day, that whenever we hit the 5 subscriber goal, then the maximum, I'll be a week for the giveaway for all of y'all to have entered. So it'll only be a week that y'all will have. So yeah. Remember, only one more subscriber and you'll get a reward. Alright guys, let's go. Doom, 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 doom. I'm probably gonna go do like only 2 episodes. Like I'm probably gonna do 2 uploads instead of 3, because 3 uploads a day is a lot. So I'm just, I mean, I liked uploading that much, but still, it's a lot of, like, it's a lot to do. I really do want something better. Like, can we get better, like, a better thing? Like, we'll get to go in the 10 area. If we buy this guy, and now we have 9 bees? 10 bees, basically. Well, we will after we put this guy in. Hatch basic egg. Oh, wait, we got hasty bee. Wait, we have 2 regular bees? What? A new type discovered. Wait, I've discovered 11 types of bees. Huh? How did we? I'm almost probably because the basic bee is the other type out of the 10 that we have. 3, 2, 1, boom! Alright, guys, this stuff is so expensive. Oh my god, dude, this stuff is very expensive. Sheesh. Wait, what? Mantises. Guys, bye-bye. Wait, we're about to get stuff from the rhino beetle, though, so we might as well do it. But this mantis, I wonder what the mantis gives. Oh my gosh. I'm just gonna hide. Oh my god, dude, wait, a pineapple. Ooh. Let's get that, guys. Let's get it. Listen, let's go get this blueberry pineapple. I believe that's 12, like 12. We need 12 types to be discovered. Oh wait, a science bear. Let's talk to Science Bear. We're gonna get a quest from him. Oh my gosh, dude. This quest is so hard. Our backpack barely even holds 10,000. Really? Are you serious? Come on. I really want to get this royal stinking jelly. Oh my gosh, come on. This is... Yes, we got it. Wait, how did we even make that jump? Oh, we could have done that before. No, let's get a brown bear quest. The brown bear quest. My gosh, really? Really, man? Oh, this is a pain. Dude, we have so much quests to do. Do you have any treats? 2 treats. I didn't even... Oh, okay. I didn't even want to get flung over there, but it's fine. It's fine. Okay, can we just get over here? Oh, wait, micro converter. Okay, we gotta get that quick. Oh my god. Defeat 2 rhino beetles. We could have... Let's get to the micro converter. Let's defeat that rhino beetle. We could defeat rhino beetle down here. Right? Will it spawn if we just go close? I think, maybe. Please. Oh, we have to be in the field. Boom, 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 boom. Oh my god. Let's just make this jump. Why can't we make it? Didn't I make it up here somehow? Must have gotten like on top of there. Oh, it must have been, my other video probably. Where I showed every hidden location. Yeah, by the way guys, you should go check that video out. It shows, from what I believe, every hidden location. Literally every hidden location. I didn't show every hidden one, like some I forgot to show. Or no, I didn't forget, I didn't have enough time because the old recorder, or before I verified into YouTube, I could only get like 15 minutes of content. So, let's go. Let's get that. Alright guys, let's go to Sunflower Field. Let's give this video 7 more minutes and then I guess we'll just see you on another video, I guess. Come on. I really do want to complete this quest before. Whenever we complete the leisure loot quest, I guess I could just end the video there. Boom, we're done. Oh, wait, no. We're gonna do that for the last. It gives us a boost. Wait, why do we have more pollen? Why can we hold the more pollen? Huh? Why am I able to hold more pollen? This doesn't make sense. Alright, and we're done with that field pretty much. Let's just get to 900 pollen and our bees should take care of the rest of it. Yep. Told ya. Let's get this. We're about to be finished. Let's go get this tree over here. Boom. Do 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 do. Just get this spot because there's like a double flower. Should be enough. Okay, let's just go. They're gonna collect the rest of the pollen for me. And we're about to be done. Boom. Yep. And we're done with this quest. Are we now? Oh, I should have just left in there a little bit more. Alright, after we see and get the reward for this, we'll leave. Brown bear solo spider. Must have messed up on the word spider. It's not Spidey. Oh, let's just see what the next quest is. Collect 10,000 white pollen. We've done enough progress in this video. Alright guys, I'll see you on the next video. Have a nice day and be safe. And please like and subscribe. Y'all don't have to, but it would really help me. And something that would help y'all is to turn on the notification bell. Because I would upload a lot of content, so it would be nice if y'all did that so y'all never miss another video. Bye guys.